Hello, I'm Mike Kapouano, Media Advisor of the Crisis Management Unit of the Jewish Community of Athens. Our community board of directors, its professionals in all areas of responsibility, our committees, our school, our rabbi, our security staff and volunteers have faced the threat of COVID-19 from the very beginning with responsibility, seriousness, discipline, but also by offering practical support to those who most need us these days. In early March and following the government decree recommendation on measures to prevent and limit the spread of COVID-19, we have suspended all activities that would potentially bring together vulnerable groups such as the synagogue and community center gatherings, visits to the cemeteries, visits of tourist groups and schools, etc. At the same time, we proceeded with the following actions. Information was provided, including guidelines, useful telephone numbers, and the community 24-hour helpline, which was activated so that all our members can address any concerns. As soon as we became aware as to what was happening to our Italian neighbors, we immediately invested in systems so that our teams were able to work from home in case the virus would strike Greece. We organized the distribution of Passover goods to all our members who ordered either online or through the phone. Our rabbi established live transmission of Kabbalat Shabbat by our closed Facebook group, as well as live Havdalah every Saturday afternoon. We organized a constructive online discussion called Ask the Doctors, where over 100 of our members had the opportunity to be informed, listen, and be advised on issues concerning them by 3 doctors, members of our community. Following the Ask the Doctor very successful webinar, we organized a discussion on maintain good psychology for us and our family in difficult times. Psychologists and psychiatrists participated and answered questions and worries. More than 140 members followed online. Board meetings and other committee meetings were adapted to adequate requirements. We are communicating regularly with the Greek authorities for any changes. We are constantly in contact with our friends abroad, learning best practices from each other through platforms created by organizations such as ECJC, Yesod, WJC, JCC Global, JDC, Claims Conference, and others. Meanwhile, the Social Welfare Committee professional team started communicating with all vulnerable members, informing about the instructions provided by the Ministry of Health and advising them with useful telephone numbers. We are recording any potential needs they have and remind them of our presence and call availability. Furthermore, measures were immediately taken at our Lauder School of the Jewish Community of Athens to ensure the safety of both staff and students and continue the educational process. From the very first moment the school closed, along with our professional teachers, learning material, instruction manuals, and projects were sent to students. Asynchronous teaching and synchronized video conferencing were quickly put in place. Currently, learning material is sent to pupils on a daily basis. On Fridays, teachers of the Jewish curriculum invite all our students to an interactive Kabbalat Shabbat. The parents of our pupils are given the opportunity to communicate through the platform with the school psychologist in order to be advised on this new situation. Our community is being proactive and has coordinated all its action in accordance to the guidelines and the state orders so that our employees, volunteers, and all our members be protected. At the same time, we are taking initiative to continue the community life as usual as possible, providing assistance and support where needed. In these difficult times, we promise to continue to do everything needed in order to maintain the safety and health of our members, remaining close to them for any need. Our community is part of the global world jury, and by standing united and strong, we will successfully overcome this global challenge. Kol Israel Arvim Ze Laze. Shalom from Athens, Greece. Thank you.